This how to 1 minute will show you how to disconnect domain from hosting totally. First of all, open your cPanel and scroll down under domain sections. Click on domains. And here you will get all of your active domain. For example, I want to delete this domain from my cPanel. So I'm going to clicking on manage, scrolling down and clicking on remove domain. Yes, removes this domain. And as you can see, the domain has been successfully removed. And now we need to remove files. So again, go to your cPanel, scroll down and open File Manager. And here you will get the domain folder. Select the folder and click on delete. So this is how we can remove domain from hosting our cPanel completely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.